Hello and welcome to Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We have over 350 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock ready for immediate delivery. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of this truck, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com. Today we're showing you a brand new arrival, 2020 Ram 1500 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive that's got a bunch of bells and whistles on it. This is a dark blue in color, as you can see here. First thing you're going to notice is the front lights. They're definitely an upgraded light system, as you can see there. It does have a sport appearance package on it. One of the things you're going to get with the sport appearance package is the factory painted front bumper. So as you can see there, it is painted, and it also does have the front monitoring system built right into this vehicle, which makes it nice when parking in them tight spots. Also with that sport appearance package, you're going to get the upgraded rims. That's a 20-inch factory Ram rim, a very nice rim. Painted side mirrors along the side. This vehicle does come with dual exhaust. They are chrome tipped exhausts, and it also does have a trailer hitch down there with a 4 and 7-pin wiring hookup. And you're also going to have your factory backup sensors on the rear of this vehicle also. With this vehicle, you're going to get a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty. You're also going to get a 5-year, 60,000-mile, or I'm sorry, 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and a 5-year, 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. With that, you're also inside this vehicle. You're going to have the 5.7-liter Hemi. I did not mention that, so plenty of power to pull whatever you're going to need to be pulling. Memory seating for up to 2. Power side mirrors, power folding side mirrors. It also does have power windows and power locks. Leather seating throughout, considering this is a Laramie package. Power seat, power lumbar, automatic overhead headlights, and also power foot controls. Inside this vehicle, these buttons over here are going to operate your instrument cluster, built here in the center. In that instrument cluster, it'll show you obviously miles per hour, miles till empty, all your trip information, what radio station you're on, all the function of the vehicle while it's driving, whether it's all your coolant temperatures, your oil change life, a bunch of stuff built in there. You can also download your phone directly into this vehicle. You no longer have to reach for your phone while driving down the road. Simply hit the green phone button, carry on the conversation directly through your speaker system. Cruise control. And on the back of the steering wheel, you have the option of adjusting your radio. Everything's push button with this vehicle. This vehicle does, with the keyless fob, have a remote start, so you can turn on and off your vehicle while inside your house or wherever it may be. Everything's push button on the 4-wheel drive system, and everything's turnkey when it comes to your reverse, neutral, and drive. This vehicle does have a factory backup camera, as you can see there when you put it in reverse. With this radio, you do have an AM/FM Sirius XM radio. With that Sirius XM radio, you do get a free subscription when purchasing this vehicle brand new. All your functions of the vehicle can be operated basically from inside this radio, this touchscreen radio. Whether it's your climate controls, you do have dual climate controls, as you can see there. And we also do have heated and ventilated seats, along with the heated steering wheel for the driver. With the heated and ventilated seats, there is a high, a medium, and a low setting, which is a very nice feature to have. And right underneath that, you can also increase and decrease the volume and change your radio station. You have a second option when it comes to these center knobs right here, when it comes to operating your climate control. And then you also have a second option when it comes to your heated, ventilated, and your heated steering wheel. You can use these buttons down here if you'd like also. Very large center console here with plenty of storage, a nice leather armrest right there. Up top, you got a smaller cubby hole right there with the USB plug, and then a larger one right underneath that. Small bin right here for knickknacks, cup holders, and then we got a large one up front also with an AC plug built in down here. When it comes to the back seats of these Rams, they are very spacious, as you can see there. You can be over 6 foot tall and still sit back here very, very comfortably. And these seats flip up very easily if you need to store something inside while traveling down the road. Also, with this particular truck, it does have a rear sliding window, which slides here, that can be opened and closed. And this rear window is also defrost. Extremely nice vehicle, guys. 2020 Ram 1500 Crew Cab, dark blue in color. This is a Laramie edition, 4-wheel drive, push button. when it comes to the four-wheel drive system, touchscreen radio, great fuel economy on these Rams. Just an all in all, an extremely nice vehicle. This vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. If you're on YouTube, hit that subscribe button, give us a like. Also, if you want to see all the still pictures of the specific truck or any other truck we have in our lot, please visit our website at sherrychrysler.com. That's SHERRYCHRYSLER.com.